Hey friends, if you wish to know where Camera app and Photos app saves pictures and videos on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult to know. There is an assumption that since it is called the Camera app and it stores videos, these videos will be stored in the videos folder, but that is not true. That is not true. Okay. It may or may not. A few captures can be stored here, but that is not a policy. It is actually stored in the pictures folder, and I'll tell you later why. There's a folder called camera roll. You'll find the camera rolls here, the videos here. And if there are any screenshots or images, there will be a separate folder for screenshots and images. Now, why is this happening? I mean, what is the logic behind it? Why are you storing it in the pictures folder? So, I'll just explain this. So, three folders will be stored on the cloud each and I mean at all time. One is desktop, one is documents, one is pictures, and this is the default setting. You can change it, but by default this is the setting. If they were to include the videos folder, then your cloud drive would be full very quickly, right? Because videos have a lot of memory, so only videos created through the camera app will be stored in the camera roll, and that becomes a part of one drive because these could be important videos. Else everything else that you create separately will be stored in the videos folder, which will not be a part of the cloud drive by default. So this is the difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.